Welcome to another Smart Money Concepts video. Did you know that with a few simple tricks, you can not only double your savings but triple it every month? In this video, I'll share 7 psychological tricks to help you save a lot of extra money every month. Are you ready? Great! Before we get started, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more Smart Money Concepts videos. Trick number 1. Avoid social media. Do you think being on social media tricks us into buying things? Well, let's see. If you browse your news feed on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, or other social media platforms, what do you see? That's right. We are showered with tons of ads. Can you count on 2 hands how many ads pop up a day? Maybe the 5th ad makes you annoyed, and some of the ads that pop up are the things we are not usually looking for at the time, like workout clothes, the hottest new toy, and many more. Besides, you know being on social media is a great way to waste time and it greatly affects your productivity. It can also be the cause of your spending and make you completely forget about your budget and saving money. Trick number 2. Set automatic deductions. Did you know that automatic deductions can control your spendings? Well, if you don't know how to control your spending, this trick will help you. So what is an automatic deduction? When you get paid, a portion of your pay is set to go to your savings account instead of the full amount being deposited to your main bank account. This savings account that the money is routed into is usually not accessible for a period of time to allow the money to continue to compound. Trick number 3. Imagine yourself being rich in the future. Are you a Starbucks coffee lover? Well, I'm sorry to tell you this, but did you know that if you spend $5 every single day for your favorite flavored coffee, which might seem like a small amount, that $5 you spend daily could turn into a huge amount of money over time? Let's do the math. So $5 a day equals $35 a week, or $140 a month, or even worse, a whopping $1,680 a year. That's a lot of dough. Or should I say, a lot of beans. Don't get me wrong, I love coffee. But if you want to become rich or even financially comfortable, then you need to become a bean counter like me. Here's another important point. As you know, to be rich in all aspects of your life, you need to be conscious of your health first and foremost. So here are some coffee tips for you. Coffee tip number 1. I buy only organic coffee beans online in order to keep pesticides out of my diet, and I buy in bulk to save money. Coffee tip number 2. I make freshly ground coffee in a French press every day to avoid drinking the plastic from electric coffee machines and coffee pods. Coffee tip number 3. I bring my organic coffee with organic cream to work in my ecothermal BPA-free coffee cup plus my thermos to have another cup midday. So how do my beans add up? This costs me about $640 a year, which is $1,040 in savings, and that's a perfect amount for investing. Oh, and did I mention that your daily cup of joe at your favorite coffee shop is probably not organic? Now that's something to sip on. So, are you changing your mind right now? Every time you consider buying things, no matter how expensive or cheap they are, ask yourself, if I buy this, will it make me closer or further from my goals? Now let's get back to trick number 3. What does your future rich self really look like? Now this is a topic that we will definitely cover in depth in a future video. However, it bears mentioning here that you need to have a clear picture of where you are headed with your finances, not just an idea of how much money you'll eventually put into the bank or an investment account, but what you want your big picture to look like. That includes you, your family and friends, your home, your car, your lifestyle, your health, your free time, your financial freedom, and much more. I think you're getting the picture. Even more importantly, you need to know what your future rich self feels and run with that feeling until it energizes you to change your life. So how do you do this? In 1937, author Napoleon Hill wrote one of the most famous self-improvement books of all time, called Think and Grow Rich. Although the text might seem a bit antiquated by today's standard, the philosophy remains the same. The vast majority of us have a negative relationship with money, usually due to our upbringing or episodes in our lives which have left us feeling unworthy of attaining wealth. The book goes on to explain concepts that deal with universal laws such as the law of attraction, which Hill refers to as the creative method of thought. In a nutshell, the creative method of thought suggests that you attract what you think about and that thoughts are things. So if you think you are poor, then you will be. If you think you are rich, then you will be. But it's more than mind over matter. It's a positive mindset with feelings of gratitude. It's purpose over passion. It's using your imagination to preview your financial future, all while taking actions to keep more of your money in your possession and moving forward with your thoughts and feelings about being rich in all things. Here are the 6 steps in order to think and grow rich. Number 1, fix in your mind the exact amount of money you desire. Number 2, determine exactly what you intend to give in exchange for the money. Number 3, establish a definite date when you intend to be in possession of the money you desire. Number 4, create a definite plan for carrying out your desire and begin at once to put it into action. Number 5, write a clear statement describing the amount of money, the time frame, what you intend to give, and a description of your plan. Number 6, read your written statement aloud at least twice a day, and your future self will thank you. Now let's get back to the ways to trick yourself into saving money. Trick number 4, reassess your decisions before making big purchases. Are you a sleepyhead? Well, this trick is for you. Sleeping is helpful in saving money in 2 different ways. First, if you don't get proper sleep, your decision-making capabilities diminish, so there's a bigger chance of you buying impulsively. So that beautiful, luxurious car you're not even thinking of buying might end up in your driveway. Secondly, sleep gives you time to ponder big purchases. Sleeping in the evening makes you think carefully about large expenditures. It allows your unconscious mind to analyze the situation regarding your spending. So before you sleep, think of what item you're thinking of purchasing. Who knows, you might have a dream about it. Trick number 5, only use cash. I tell you, using cash when shopping can help you save money. So if you're buying your groceries, your new phone, it's better to pay with cash. Why? This is because with cash, it helps you see how much money you're losing in just a few seconds. Unlike credit cards, it seems like you can spend the entire day not worrying that much because you don't see the depletion in your wallet. And also, if you don't want to break a $50 or $100 bill because you'd have to lug around loads of change, it might help you not to buy anything at all. Do you find these tricks effective? Well, we've got more information for you. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to get notified whenever we post a new video. Trick number 6, calculate the cost in hours. What does that mean? That means converting the cost of your purchases into your work hours. How? For example, if you make $20 an hour at your job and you want to buy a new $100 t-shirt, that means you're spending 5 hours of your time to make that purchase. Is that t-shirt worth your 5 hours of hard work? If I were you, I'd put that shirt back. When you begin to see these kinds of things, you will become more conscious of spending your money on things that are not even worth your efforts. And besides, if you're spending $100 on a t-shirt, then you're definitely shopping at the wrong store. Trick number 7, generate more income. If you want to save a lot of money, you have to earn a lot of money. And if your current minimum wage is low, it's impossible to make money fast. So you have to look for a way to increase your income. You can get another part-time job, do freelance work, or maybe increase your skills for a job that pays a higher salary. All I'm saying is that you should look for things that would work for you. Wow, I didn't even notice we were on our last trick. That went fast. So there you have it. If you want to increase your income, follow these 7 tricks to help you save, and before you know it, you'll already have a lot of money. Okay, before you try starting to do these tricks, you should first click the like and subscribe buttons now to make sure that you don't miss our next video.